Good morning, my dear friends. In the last period, I was taken glycolysis, but now today I am going to discuss about the gluconeogenesis. Okay. So first of all, what is gluconeogenesis? Gluconeogenesis is a metabolic pathway that is responsible for generating glucose from the non-carbohydrate substrate, of course, that is non-carbohydrate carbon containing substrate, that is the lactate, alanine, pyruvate, amino acid and glycerol also. All these are the non-carbohydrate carbon containing substrate. Okay. So it means that glucogenesis is the process in which formation of glucose from the non-carbohydrate carbon containing substrate. Okay. Now this glucogenesis process occur in which site? Okay. Now we see here site of the gluconeogenesis. So this gluconeogenesis process occur chiefly in liver. That is 80 to 85%. This is occur in general in normal circumstances. Okay, but during the starvation, this gluconeogenesis process also occur in kidney. That is 50%. But in some time, this gluconeogenesis process also occur in epithelial cell of intestine. These are the site of gluconeogenesis. Okay. Now we see about the substrate of gluconeogenesis. That is, first substrate is that the lactate. First substrate is that the lactate. What happens here? There's in this process, what happens when we take the substrate is that the lactate, at that time what happens here, pyruvate form from the glucose by the glycolysis process in muscles or erythrocyte. Then this pyruvate get converted into the lactate by the action of LDH, and that LDH is the lactate dehydrogenase, that is the enzyme. Okay. Then this lactate release into the blood, and these lactate taken up by the liver. वो कौन लेता है? Liver अपनी तरफ खींचता है किसको? Lactate को. Okay. Then this lactate is converted into the pyruvate by the action of LDH. Okay. यहाँ पे भी LDH क्या करता है? इस lactate को pyruvate पे conversion करता है किसमें? Liver में. Okay. Then this pyruvate converted into the glucose by gluconeogenesis. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Gluconeogenesis होता है और इस pyruvate को क्या बनाता है? Glucose. Then this glucose release into the blood, and these glucose use as a energy for the various metabolic process. Okay. Now we see about the second substrate, and second substrate is that the alanine. What happens here? Here also the pyruvate form from the glucose by glycolysis. Okay. Then here also this pyruvate converted into the alanine by transamination reaction. Okay. Then this alanine, of course, whole this process occur in muscles. Okay. Then this alanine release into the blood. कहाँ पे जाता है वो? Blood में. And liver taken up by this alanine, and then in the liver what happens here? Alanine get converted into the pyruvate. Here also the reverse transcription reaction occur. Okay. And through this reverse transcription reaction, this alanine get converted into the pyruvate. Okay. Then this pyruvate again get converted into the glucose by gluconeogenesis. Okay. Then this glucose release into the blood, and it is used as a source of energy. Okay. Now we see about the third substrate of the gluconeogenesis, that is the glycogen. What is that? Glycogen. This glycogen is found in adipose tissue by the lipolysis of triacyl glycerol. Okay, this glycogen is formed in adipose tissue. कहाँ पे बनता है glycogen? Adipose tissues में बनता है. किससे बनता है? By the lipolysis of triacyl glycerol. Okay, then this glycerol release into the blood like this. This glycerol also release into the blood and then liver taken up by this glycerol. Liver क्या करता है? उस glycerol को अपने इधर खींचता है. And where लीवर में क्या होता है? Where it phosphorylated, इस ग्लाइकोजन को क्या होता है? Phosphorylated into the 3-phosphoglycerate. 3-phosphoglycerate, and which is an intermediate in gluconeogenesis. This 3-phosphoglycerate which is intermediate and gluconeogenesis. Okay. Now we see the fourth substrate of gluconeogenesis is that the amino acid. What is that? Amino acid. Glucogenic amino acid other than the alanine may be converted to citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle intermediate that are metabolized to the oxaloacetate, that are metabolized. इस citric acid में जाता है कौन? Amino acid, and that are metabolized to the oxaloacetate. That are metabolized into the oxaloacetate, and these oxaloacetate also the intermediate of the gluconeogenesis. Do you understand? Hold this 4 substrate. Lactate also get converted into the pyruvate. Then here also alanine is also get converted into the pyruvate, and then glucose through the gluconeogenesis. And third one is the glycogen, that is also the form in adipose tissue, and by the lipolysis of triacyl glycerol, here also this form glycogen, and then this glycogen release and they get phosphorylated and form a 3-phosphoglycerol. Okay, and that is also the intermediate that metabolize into the gluconeogenesis. Okay, now amino acid also converted into the citric acid cycle intermediate, and that also metabolize into the oxaloacetate, and this oxaloacetate intermediate into the gluconeogenesis. Now today I just completed in this substrate, that is lactate, alanine, glycogen and amino acid. All these are the substrate in gluconeogenesis. Okay, thank you so much.